Of all the Disney villains and villainess created by Disney, one stands out as being the most wicked and evil creature. Travel back a long time ago, when King Stefan and his fair queen had a beautiful daughter named Aurora. To celebrate her birth, a great holiday was proclaimed throughout the kingdom. Everyone was invited to attend. Everyone, except the evil witch. In her wickedness, she appeared anyway on her own and spoke.
I too shall bestow a gift on the child. The princess shall indeed grow in grace and beauty, beloved by all who know her. But before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she will prick her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel, and die.
This evil villainess who would wish the death of a child is none other than Maleficent. Maleficent, an evil witch that could transform into a dragon.